In today's digital age, creativity meets opportunity, and Canva is at the forefront of this revolution. In this video, we will explore the exciting ways you can turn your design skills into a profitable venture in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that can help you create stunning visuals and generate income. We'll dive into various strategies, from freelancing and selling digital products to creating online courses and leveraging social media. You'll learn how to tap into the growing demand for graphic design services and discover the best practices for marketing your skills effectively. Get ready to unlock your potential and transform your passion for design into a sustainable income stream. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights and tips to start your journey toward making money with Canva. So, grab your notepad and let's get started on this exciting path to financial freedom through creativity. Step 1. Create a Canva account and explore the platform to kickstart your journey in making money with Canva. The first step is to sign up for a free account. This will grant you access to a plethora of design tools and resources that can elevate your creative projects. Once you've registered, take some time to familiarize yourself with the user-friendly interface. Canva's layout is intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced designers to navigate. As you explore the platform, dive into the vast library of templates available for various purposes, from social media posts to presentations and marketing materials. This will not only inspire your creativity but also help you understand what designs are currently trending in the market. By examining different design categories, you can identify popular styles and themes that resonate with your target audience. This knowledge will be invaluable as you begin to create your own unique designs. Embrace this exploration phase, as it sets the foundation for your future success in monetizing your Canva skills. Step 2. Identify your niche and target audience. Once you've familiarized yourself with Canva, the next crucial step is to identify your niche and target audience. Start by researching popular design niches that are in high demand, such as social media graphics, presentations, or printables. Each of these areas has its own unique requirements and trends, so understanding them will help you position yourself effectively. Next, define your target audience by considering their needs and preferences. Are you aiming to attract small business owners looking for marketing materials, or perhaps educators in need of engaging classroom resources? Knowing who you're designing for will guide your creative process and ensure your designs resonate with potential clients. Finally, think about the unique value you can offer within your chosen niche. What sets you apart from other designers? Whether it's a distinctive style, specialized knowledge, or exceptional customer service, highlighting your unique strengths will help you stand out in a competitive market. This clarity will not only enhance your designs but also attract the right clients to your work. Step 3. Create high-quality designs to showcase your skills. With your niche and target audience defined, it's time to create high-quality designs that truly showcase your skills. Start by utilizing Canva's extensive library of templates, which can help you craft professional-looking visuals with ease. These templates provide a solid foundation, allowing you to focus on customizing elements that reflect your unique style. As you create, prioritize quality and originality. Strive to produce designs that not only meet industry standards but also stand out from the competition. Incorporate your personal flair, whether through color choices, typography, or layout, to make your work memorable and distinctive. Once you've completed your designs, gather feedback from friends, family, or online communities. Constructive criticism can provide valuable insights and help you refine your work. Engaging with fellow designers or potential clients can also inspire new ideas and improve your skills. By continuously iterating based on feedback, you'll enhance your portfolio and increase your chances of attracting clients who appreciate your unique design approach. Step 4. Set up an online store or portfolio. Now that you have a collection of high-quality designs, it's time to set up an online store or portfolio to showcase and sell your work. Consider platforms like Etsy or Shopify, which are popular choices for creative entrepreneurs. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces and built-in audiences, making it easier for you to reach potential customers. As you create your online store, focus on building a visually appealing portfolio that highlights your best designs. Use high-resolution images and engaging descriptions to capture the essence of each piece. A well-organized portfolio not only showcases your skills but also helps potential buyers envision how your designs can meet their needs. To improve your search visibility, optimize your listings with relevant keywords. Think about what terms your target audience might use when searching for designs like yours. Incorporating these keywords into your titles, descriptions, and tags will enhance your chances of being discovered. By effectively setting up your online presence, you'll be well on your way to attracting customers and generating income from your Canva creations. Step 5. Promote your designs through social media and marketing. With your online store or portfolio set up, the next step is to promote your designs effectively through social media and marketing. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for showcasing your creative work, as they are visually driven and attract audiences interested in design. Share high-quality images of your designs, along with engaging captions that tell the story behind each piece. To build a loyal following, engage with your audience through regular posts and stories. Share behind-the-scenes content, design tips, or even polls to encourage interaction. Responding to comments and messages fosters a sense of community and keeps your audience invested in your work. Additionally, consider running targeted ads to reach a broader audience and drive sales. Social media platforms offer robust advertising tools that allow you to specify demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your designs reach potential customers who are most likely to be interested. By combining organic engagement with strategic advertising, you'll maximize your visibility and increase your chances of making sales. Step 6. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategies. As you embark on your journey to monetize your Canva designs, it's essential to monitor your progress and adjust your strategies accordingly. Start by tracking your sales and gathering customer feedback to identify trends in what resonates with your audience. This data will provide valuable insights into which designs are performing well and which may need improvement. Based on your findings, be prepared to adjust your designs and marketing strategies. If certain styles or themes are gaining traction, consider creating more variations to capitalize on that interest. Conversely, if a particular design isn't selling, analyze why and make necessary changes to enhance its appeal. Additionally, stay updated with Canva's new features and design trends. The platform frequently introduces tools and templates that can elevate your work, while design trends evolve rapidly. By keeping your skills and knowledge current, you'll be better equipped to create relevant and appealing designs. Regularly reviewing your progress and adapting your approach will help you stay competitive and successful in the ever-changing design landscape. Conclusion, summary of key points. In this video, we explored the exciting journey of making money with Canva, emphasizing the importance of creativity and consistency. We began by discussing how to create a Canva account and familiarize yourself with the platform, followed by identifying your niche and target audience. Next, we highlighted the significance of creating high-quality designs that showcase your unique skills. Setting up an online store or portfolio was another crucial step, allowing you to present your work effectively. We then delved into promoting your designs through social media and marketing, engaging with your audience to build a loyal following. Finally, we stressed the importance of monitoring your progress and adjusting your strategies based on performance and market trends. Now is the time to take action and embark on your design journey. Remember, success in this field requires dedication and the willingness to adapt. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's unleash our creativity and thrive in the world of design.